What does disable restart from stage mean in Jenkins? Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.401.1, and on this controller, I have a sample job. Now, before we take a look at this job, let's go take a look at the documentation. In this case, we're taking a look at disable restart from stage. This is an option that completely removes the restart from stage link that's on the left nav in both the classic Jenkins UI and also in Blue Ocean. So let's go over to our controller and take a look at this sample job. Right now, this job has 3 stages. And if we take a look at build number 1, what we can see from the output is we're just echoing out 3 stages, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. But the important thing right here is the restart from stage. What will happen when we disable it is that link will be removed. So how do we do that? Well, let's go ahead and go into our job and go to configure. And since I'm not sure of what the syntax is, let's go ahead and click on pipeline syntax. And then from here, we're going to click on declarative directive generator and change this to options. And then from add, what we'll do is we will select disable restart from stage. Since we've selected that, there's no options. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And now we have our options block that has the disable restart from stage option inside of it. So let's go ahead and copy this. We'll go back over to our controller and let's modify the job. So below agent any, I'm going to put in options and then disable restart from stage and click save. Now that we've updated the job, let's run the job one time here. So this will be build number 2. And when we take a look at the output of build number 2, we can see that all 3 stages ran. But notice over here in the left-hand nav, the restart from stage option is now gone. Now, not only is it gone from number 2, but if we go back over to build number 1, we can also see that the restart from stage was also removed from here. So this is the thing to keep in mind. Once you disable restart from stage, it applies not only to the build that it was initially added to, but it also applies to any of the builds that still exist for that job. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.